Welcome back, everyone. I'm here with the fourth car of the July IGN car pack. This is the 2011 Lotus Evora S. I'm going to do the same thing. Test drive it, get the exhaust clip of it, and just show it off, and then take it, drive it to another car meet, and then go on with the next one. But here we have the Lotus Evora S. In the same paint job like my Mazda. I really like this design. Game, I don't know why you opened up the left door on the car, but oh well. I can easily tell you all that getting in one of these Lotus Evoras is not fun. There's, short, that's a, low ride where the seating position is, and it's a little uncomfortable to get in and out of these things. I personally have sat in a couple of them at a car show here in Jacksonville over the past 2.5 years, and let's see, what's the closest car meet? Nice doesn't seem to be, and then we got St. Martin, Cicero. So we'll do the Nice car meet. The neat thing about these Lotus Evoras is that their engines are produced by Toyota, which is a pretty neat to be coming from a Japanese car manufacturer that provides engines for probably the best performance British sports car in the world. That sound was, but aside from Toyota producing engines, I am not hearing much about the next generation Supra. The only thing I don't even know what it's going to be named. I know there's a future for the Supra name. I just don't know if it's going to be even called a Supra. But I know BMW and Toyota are partnering up for the next BMW Z sports car, and Toyota's working on the next. I think they're working on the next generation Supra. I just haven't heard anything else aside from that. I mean, we know it's gonna. I know it's gonna be a little bit more expensive than the Corvette, probably about $70,000-$80,000. I don't know why. I mean, I don't even know how much a actual Supra would cost. One of the old school Supras would cost in today's economy. So, love the sound of this car. Not real wild about it being right-hand drive, but I think I like it. Handles very, very well, though. I don't even know what that was. They have not fixed that sound, which is a very big disappointment. It's very annoying. Alright, there you have it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll have more videos coming in the next, well, in the coming days. I've just been busy working. What the heck is up with this Audi? Oop, crap. Check out. Back windows on this Audi don't even look. This car don't even look like it has back windows, because you can. Wow. Huh. From that angle, it doesn't even look like it has back windows, but oh well. But hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll keep throwing out more Forza videos, so catch you all later on the next one.